Uh-oh. Smudge. Coming in, messing with my birds. Don't worry, they won't let her catch them. They know she's there now. I hear the blue jays giving off the warning. He just chimed away and moved into the trees. Little stinker. I ain't gonna come with you there, little missy. Maybe some of the doves will, but not the little songbirds. Little stinker, you know, hear it too, don't you? Yeah, I see you. Go away, Sprinkles. I mean, not Sprinkles. Sprinkles was your sister. Smudge. Get going, Missy. Go. Thank you, sweetheart. I'll bring you some bread. I better go throw some bread out there. Okay, I came out to bring some bread. Great. Can you hear the baby chirps? Just where they're at. Up in that awning is a terrible mess. I plugged up the old nest from last year, that one and that one, but yeah, there's another one. I don't want to tear them out there, tear the nest out until the babies grow up and move out. Oh, there's a bird over there that wants to land. Okay, some bread for the cat. Brought it from the restaurant. Whatever hit the floor or was stale, I brought home. So I got a little bit of raisin bread and some marbly looking bread. All right, that's for the cat. I'll go back indoors and let my birdies come back out. I got some wildflowers started right over here. That's why it's marked like that. And after a while, I'll put some more in there. We're supposed to overplant it the first year. So I'm going to stick some more in there and then remove all that junk. And last but not least, I got to do this area. But I got to wait for it to get warmer out so the seed will take. In the meantime, I'm going to germinate some in the house. All righty then.